New respiratory illness for dogs is spreading across the country and it's killing pets. One vet in Jefferson County, Missouri believes 2 dogs she treated may have had the illness. KMBC9's Brian Johnson joins us live with how to protect your pets. Brian.
Yeah, Laura, well, prevention is the biggest thing right now because vets don't know if the illness is a bacteria or a virus. For your dog like Ellie, if you're worried, the best thing is to keep your dog healthy, and if you're really concerned, consider social distancing for your dog. At Wayside Waifs, there are no cases of the mysterious new kennel cough. But its symptoms are reported in dogs in more than a dozen states and spreading. Veterinarians are concerned at how long and how severe the symptoms last.
The fact that it goes 6 to 8 weeks is more of a concern, so it's certainly something different.
Dr. Marta Andelson says the illness spreads through the air and contact from dog to dog. People and other pets aren't at risk.
Anytime large amounts of animals come together, the risk of disease transmission goes up.
Sick dogs experience a runny nose and cough. Treatment is supportive care, things like meds and exposure to steam in a hot bathroom so the dogs can breathe.
These are usually not responding to the typical antibiotics that we use.
Some dogs have developed pneumonia from the illness.
We haven't seen a lot of patient deaths, so I don't think that everyone needs to be really scared of this.
Doctors don't know how quickly the illness is spreading. They say if you're worried, limit exposure to other dogs.
Be cautious and careful, but not scared. This is something that symptomatically we know how to deal with.
In Kansas City, Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
Vets say if your dog is sick, keep your dog away from other dogs. And if you need to see your vet, give them a heads up so they can take special precautions so other pets don't get sick.